It's a hurdle you have to figure out how to jump over. Let's talk about financing. Hi, my name is Shayna Queen, and I'm a realtor servicing the state of Maryland, DC, and Virginia. I would be so honored if you would subscribe to my channel for all of your real estate and real estate investing questions, as well as information on local businesses and local dining. If you do enjoy the content of this video, please let me know by hitting that like button. And if you have any additional questions or any other topics you would like for me to cover, please let me know in the comment section. Before you start looking for a home, you should figure out how to pay for it. This will lay out the framework of your whole home buying process. Disclaimer: while I do have a background in finance, I am not your financial advisor. All information in this video are just suggestions. Please consult with your own personal financial advisor before making any big financial decisions. First things first, know your financial position. Pull your credit score from all 3 credit bureaus. You should be able to get your full report. Some companies may charge, but I will include a couple of links in the description to websites where you can get your credit score and your credit report. Make sure to pull all 3 credit scores because often different lenders will use different bureaus, so it's good to know your score from all 3. We'll talk a little bit more about this a little later. I'm sure if you are considering purchasing a home, you have thought about saving money for your down payment and your closing costs. If you haven't, then look at your finances to see where you can budget to start saving money for your new home. Cutting down on unnecessary subscriptions can go a long way. There are programs and grants to assist you in bridging the gap between what you have and what you need. I'll link more buyer assistant programs in the description. Speaking of budget, before you start actively looking for a new home, you have to figure out how much home you can afford. Now, let's assume your credit is good, you have money saved, and you go to your lender and they come back saying you are approved for a certain amount. Let's say $350,000. This does not mean you should buy a home for that amount. Your lender is not your financial advisor. Only you can decide what you are comfortable with paying on a monthly basis. Your loan approved amount could break down to be more than what your budgeted monthly housing expenses are. So work backwards. For example, let's say the most you want to pay for housing per month is $2,000. Well, that would need to include principal, interest, taxes, homeowner insurance, and possibly an HOA and mortgage insurance if your down payment is under 20%. For a home in Maryland priced at $350,000 with 5% down, $17,500, property taxes at $364.58 per month, homeowner insurance at $102.08 per month, private mortgage insurance at $139 per month. Let's assume there's no HOA. You would be paying about $2,245 per month, which is over budget. Take that same $17,500 for the down payment on a home costing $310,000 would lower your monthly payment to $1,982 per month. So while you might be approved for $350,000, it's better for you to buy a home costing much less, for you to stay in budget. You want to avoid being house poor. Once you know your financial position, you are in a better place to figure out what you need to do to meet your real estate goals. If your credit score needs improvement, work with a credit repair specialist to raise your credit. Ideally, you want to review your credit score from any errors and try getting some of your other bills that you have a good payment history with add it to your credit score to boost your number. If you need money for a down payment, work on creating a savings for your home purchase. You want to save between 8 to 10% of your home purchase price for the down payment and the closing cost. Be sure to research home buying assistance programs in your area. When you are ready to be pre-approved with a lender, be sure to shop around for the lender that is knowledgeable, offers best rates, and is familiar with any home buyer assistance you might need. Shopping around with multiple lenders does not hurt your credit when done in a 14 to 45 day window, so make sure you do your due diligence. I hope these tips are helpful on your road to home ownership. Until next time, thanks for watching. Bye.